in this video, we're going to look at the entire Sidewinder and in what we call the entire Sidewinder in my school, because there's many different stylizations of Sidewinders and many different ways to execute the Sidewinder, and I teach a lot of them in my school on my own styles and takes on it as well in my classes. But today we're going to go from continuing what we've been doing. So to your first video, I would advise you go back to previous videos, particularly if you've never done Sidewinder before, and then it will all make much more sense. So you were going to do, let's just quickly revise the three components: the arm, chest, the hips separately, and then we will put it all together. So you float the arm up. Remember all the conversation we've been having about the upper back and the muscles of the upper back as well in previous videos. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm doing, you need to go back and watch the other videos first. Take it out. Let's change sides. So you pull and push. And up it, pull it, push it, flip it. Okay, so in my school, we call this the cobra neck. So always keep your neck nice and long. Always, always, always. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do now is going to go over the chest real quick. So the chest is broken down in my figure of 8 series. I have a figure of 8 series as well. Go and watch that if you want to get the proper breakdown of it. In the meantime, we're going to go straight into it. So, rock the chest, take the chest out, take it up, down, take it up, down, take it up. Yes. So if you want to learn properly and effectively, join my classes in person or take my online classes. My online classes are my actual courses filmed week by week. So you get access to it as if you was right here in this room with me and the rest of the students. You learn and progress week by week. And at the end of the 12 weeks, you've done a lot. The new video gets posted regularly, so you will always see new material and build on what you already had. Okay, so it's excellent for your training. All right, so this is your chest figure of 8, and we're trying, and there's many ways to also do your chest figure of 8. There's so many ways to move. Anyway, another conversation for another day. For now, we're going to go into the figure of 8 with the hips. Okay, so now you dip, and this is taxine. Okay, so we scoop and snake the hips. Again, if you don't know what this is, you need to go and look at my other videos. Figure of 8 series is a good place to start. This is the taxine. Or quick tips. I think there might even be the taxine with my quick tips selection of videos as well. Anyway, so this is a taxine in BellyDance. There's a movement very similar, I'm not going to do it today, but there's a movement very similar to this, which is called hula, or hula, has another name as well, and it's a Tahitian movement, Ori Tahiti, Tahitian dance. Just something else that I teach, so I have a couple of tutorials on my website for that as well if you're interested in giving that a go. Anyway, so this is this. Okay, we're going to put it all together. So let's start arm and chest first. Arm and chest. I'm keeping it very big and very exaggerated at the moment because if I make it too small, you'll have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm going to start very big. Very big movement of the arms. And keep the chest 8 moving. We're going to add on the hip. Hip. And this is where it can get a little bit, oh my God, what's going on? Try. The music is by Tribal Finger Trap as well, which is my style tribal fusion, but also a music artist, so the music is available. All of this stuff is amazing music, especially fresh, new, modern, if you want something new to dance to and sink your teeth into. So bend, let's go again. Arm. Get the chest more involved. And then get the hips involved. Hips. Just the arms. Chest. Energy and life in your arms and your fingers as well. Hips. Keep your neck while giving those shoulders, like that conversation we had about the arms and the muscles of the upper back. And now just go for it. All the different ways you can move. So many different ways. And it doesn't have to be so exaggerated. Once you understand the pathway in the arms, there are different ways you can do it. It doesn't have to be so big. Unless you want it to be, of course. Yes? 4, 3, 2, 1. So, if you want to check out my classes, come train with me in person. Lovely, love to meet you. If not, you can do it online instead. It's melissabellydance.com, and I look forward to meeting you hopefully. Any questions below, special requests right below. I'll see if I can accommodate it. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.